Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to report a problem on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. First go to your profile from bottom right corner. Then tap on three bars on top right corner and go to settings. Now tap on help. Then tap on report a problem. Then tap on report a problem again. Now you have to describe the problem you are facing. You can also take screenshots immediately by tapping on take screenshot. Or you have taken screenshots earlier, then tap on gallery and select the screenshots from your gallery. And when you are done, tap submit on top right corner. And then Instagram support team will contact you within 2 to 3 working days. And that's how you can report a problem on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.